Assalamu alaikum, dear learners and honorable guardians. You know that now it is pandemic time, so all should stay safety. You also know that winter season is coming. In this season, this pandemic can spread very much, so we should stay very carefully. My dear student, your physical class is off, but you know that in Bangladesh all the institutions has already started their class by online base. Today our lesson we want to describe about boys. I think you all are enjoy this class very attentively. So let's start. At first we will say what is boys. In English, boys is the way of expressing verbs in which whether subject does the work or it has been done by subject. In Bengali, if we want to translate in Bengali, we can say that boys হচ্ছে তোমার ভার্বের প্রকাশভঙ্গি, যে ভার্বের কাজটি কি, ভার্ব কাজটি তোমার সাবজেক্ট করছে নাকি অবজেক্টের কাজটি সাবজেক্ট দ্বারা করা হবে, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার ভয়েস। ওকে, ভয়েস হচ্ছে তোমার দুই প্রকার, এটা আমরা সবাই জানি। We know that there are two types of voice. Firstly, active voice. Secondly, passive voice. Okay, active voice, passive voice. In your exam from class 6 to degree, all the exams, boys, the questions always come from boys. Okay, how to change active to passive voice? Today we will discuss about this. How to change voice. Okay, we know that when we change active to passive voice, at first we will use the active voices subject, we will use passive voices object. Okay, object সাবজেক্ট। তাহলে আমরা বুঝলাম যে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসের অবজেক্ট হয়, প্যাসিভ ভয়েসের সাবজেক্ট। অক্সিলারি ভার্ব উইল ইউজড অ্যাকর্ডিং টু টেন্স, অর্থাৎ টেন্স অনুযায়ী তোমার কি হবে, অক্সিলারি ভার্ব বসবে, টেন্স অনুযায়ী অক্সিলারি ভার্ব বসবে। In voice, you always use verb past participle and you will use by, whether sometimes you can use to, you can use with. It will depend on which word you are using in this sentence. Suppose when you see that no, then you will write non to. When you say see tomar annoy, then you will use annoy with. Okay, my dear student, and at last you will say, you will use subject we will use as a object. In Bengali, we can say that. When we change our voice, at first we will use active voices object. We will use as a passive voices subject. Tense on auxiliary verb we will use according to tense, verb first participle and by. Okay. So now we will give example about voice. It's very easy example. He writes a story. Dear students, follow me. Here, which is the object of the sentence? We know that he is subject, writes is verb, a story is object. When we change into passive voice, at first we will use active voices object as a passive voices subject. Here a story is a passive voices subject. A story. The word here, the verb is present in different tense, so we will use be verb. From this be verb, am is there, was there. Though it is present in different tense, we will use auxiliary verb is. A story is written by him. Here we can write something